Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GitLab from a self-managed VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling GitLab from your self-managed VPS, log into your server using SSH. Ensure you have administrative privileges. Next, stop the GitLab services. You can do this by running the command sudo gitlabctl stop. Once the services have stopped, you'll want to backup any important data. To create a backup, use sudo gitlab backup create. Now, you can proceed with the uninstallation process. Run the command sudo apt-get remove gitlabce. This will remove the GitLab package from your system. If you are using a different package manager, the command may vary. After the package is removed, you will want to clean up any remaining configuration files. Execute the command sudo apt-get purge gitlabce. This removes configuration files along with the package. Next, clear out any unneeded dependencies. Type sudo apt-get auto-remove. It's also a good idea to delete the GitLab directory. You can do this by running sudo rmrf/opt/gitlab. If you also need to remove the GitLab logs, run sudo rmrf/var/log/gitlab. To finish, clean up PostgreSQL databases if they were created. You might need to connect to PostgreSQL and drop the related databases manually. Finally, verify that all GitLab components have been completely removed. Ensure there are no remaining services running using sudo gitlabctl status. Your server should now be free of GitLab. This completes the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.